welcome back to the channel. As you can see, stage one, well, it's not complete yet. We're about to complete that in about 30 seconds here. We got all of our, the tedious pieces, color match. We're gonna have to throw these on. That Wrangler, you guys remember how it looked? Yeah, it kind of looked like this. But in a few short seconds here, even stage one, there's gonna be 3. We gotta do the bumpers and the other things, and then we're gonna get to the hard top. And this whole Wrangler will be fully color matched. Like I said, it's a 33-piece color match on this guy, and it's gonna look amazing. A lot of you loved the wheels in the last video, and I'm so stoked about that. I thought it was gonna be like a, oh my God, 24s on a Wrangler. But the comment section was flooded with, honestly, I didn't like the Jeep when you bought it, but now that I see what you're doing with it, I'm stoked, and that was my goal in this. And piece by piece by piece, I hope a lot of you see my vision in this. Also, I see a bunch of comments that are like, yo, you do crazy stuff, your work is unreal, and I appreciate that. However, right now, have you guys noticed when you open YouTube, the people you normally watch just either aren't there or any of that. But if you take that page and scroll down about a mile, all the people you watch are at the bottom. I don't know what's going on YouTube, the algorithm, who knows what. It happens for me too. All the other even similar creators as me that I watch, they don't show up anymore. And I can see other creators doing what I'm doing between changing titles, thumbnails, descriptions, all of that, and it literally has nothing to do with that besides placement on the homepage. I don't know what YouTube's doing, but even here's a graph of like viewers in one of my recent videos. As you can see, all you guys coming back, thank you, thank you. But there's no new viewers on this channel, literally just because of homepage placement. But I thank you guys for your support, and if you think that, like most of you do, you're like, this guy needs more subs and viewers, honestly, the only thing right now to break that algorithm YouTube's got going, comments, likes, shares, subscriptions, notification bell. If the video's at the bottom of the homepage, I notice a lot of you are missing my videos too. You're just like, yo, I haven't seen your channel even come up in a while. Hit the notification bell, drop me comments down below, hit that, hit that thumbs up button. Literally, you don't know how much that, especially right now, affects how videos perform, not only for me, but all the other channels you watch. So I'm not even speaking for me here, I'm speaking for me and everyone else who makes videos like this. And making videos is a lot of work, time, and I love doing it for you guys. And just to help us out on the back end, like I said, comments, likes, shares, subscriptions, and the notification bell. Only 55% of you pretty much are subscribed to this channel that watch this channel. So what really helps is you just getting down there, click the subscribe button. If you don't have a Google account, YouTube account, make one, it's free. Click subscribe, it helps us out a ton. So without further ado, let's get to putting this Jeep back together. And like I said, guys, I appreciate everything you do. Thank you, and I can't wait to see this thing with all these gecko green parts on. Wow. can't even disagree. This thing looks banging. I'm giving you a little tease here with the tow hook in there. Obviously it goes through the bumper and all that, but bumper still needs done, fender still needs done, hard top still needs done as well. But those tow hooks will be peeking through that bumper off this front end, along with the same color suspension underneath, which we will in fact probably be powder coating and installing next week on this Wrangler, if everything goes as planned. But that should be done and on next week, so this thing should be lifted and we'll have everything mounted and put on this guy as well, which is gonna be sick. Our Gladiator grill here came together, just looks stunning. And then our upgraded OEM headlights there, broke them open. Like honestly, these were probably the hardest things to open, just weird and all, and like getting the channels formed back and doing all that. They were quite tough, and I'm gonna be honest, in some of the sections where the channels were so mutilated trying to get them out, I literally got to a point where I was sticking rubber around the ring and then just compressing them this way to get it to hold. Yeah, the touch of green in there sets this thing off, the Gladiator grill. The black I used for this, yes, it is a metallic black, and again, it's just a little detail. So like in the sun or even right here, you see just a faint little metallic, and it just sets it off. That, like I said, everything color matched this thing on. Don't forget, we're gonna have these inserts down in the bumper here. They're over there still, but we'll have the inserts in the bumper. Now that I just think of that, the black inserts in the bumper, we're gonna actually have the fog lights color matched and all that too. Oh man, the front end of this Jeep is going to look absolutely nasty. Don't forget those wheels. I'm really excited to get this thing done now too, and hopefully you guys see that as well. Mirrors are on, those came out banging. Handles, love them. Everything works again, it's put back in, screwed together. Those look so good. Honestly, took my time in this. When you sand plastic handles, they get kind of scratchy, so I ended up painting them. And after like the first two coats of paint, 1000 grit, sand them flat again. So any of the nibs and stuff that come through the plastic, they get out of there, and then you'll have perfect, like smooth, no non-gritty handles all the way around. Oh, they feel great, both back and front. Don't forget that. Like if you're doing this at home, don't forget to make the back of the handle like smooth, because when you go to grab it, you want a smooth handle. You don't want to feel like grit underneath your paint. And our OEM taillights, we have them installed. They look so good. And obviously our tailgate handle as well. But this thing looks so good, and you guys can see how much this has changed in just a couple days. And should be wrapping the whole exterior of this thing up in like within a week, honestly. And hopefully a lot of you see now why I had left some black accents on this, because like if everything was green, it pulls everything apart. When you do stuff like this, like it isn't just let me do this, you got to do it tastefully and little bits here and there to get stuff to look like this. Yeah, and then I guess exterior wise, you already know what's going on. Interior wise, we got a couple things to source here. I've already got the radial bezel for an 8.4 U-Connect. I'm gonna get a U-Connect. And then on top of that, we need the LED cluster. And you already know, seat belts, they're going purple. And then the leather, we're gonna figure that out. We're doing leather in this. That's the first custom interior you guys are gonna see on this channel. But one's going in here and one's going in the Bronco. But we're gonna do custom leather, all of this. And like I said, we're gonna do custom leather. You're gonna see me do it. I've done it I did it for years before. So we're gonna do a leather kit in this guy, and it's really gonna set it off like by far. Let me know in the comments below what leather you think we should put in this guy. I kind of want to, I'm gonna hold off on the brand I'm using just yet, but you know, see your guys' ideas, but I already know what I'm going with. But color, stitch, pattern, all of it. Let me know in the comments below what you think would look good in this. But in that, like I said, we're gonna do it all at once. We're gonna tear the seats apart, get all the seat belts out, and send out. And I guess while the seats are out, probably should do the audio in it as well because everything will be apart, but yeah. Exterior is almost wrapped up, interior is gonna be nuts, and this is gonna be one banging Jeep for no apparent reason. I wish I could build my JK back in the day. I just couldn't. But now building this, oh, I'm excited. This thing's gonna look great, guys. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Drop me a comment if you haven't already. Take care. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm just happy with how this thing's coming out. See you guys later.